Hey guys, I'm excited to share with you today a sensory tub that you can do for Easter. I have several ideas that I'm going to throw together to give you guys some ideas on what you can do in your own classrooms or just at home. Let's go. All right, to begin making your Easter sensory bin or sensory tub, you're going to want to start with your base. Now, I had 3 ideas of what I would probably use for my Easter base, but there are more options than these. For my bases, I found some Easter grass, rice, and Play-Doh. You can pick one of these, or if you want a little bit of a variety during the Easter season, you can switch out the bases and use the same things in each sensory bin to put inside that the kids can play with. I found my Easter grass at the local Dollar Tree, along with a lot of the items in my bin. And then you can make your rice and your Play-Doh at home. To make the Play-Doh, find an easy recipe online. I will put a link in the description of the Play-Doh recipe that I used, which is easy and simple and uses ingredients around your home. To make the Play-Doh, you'll just cook it on the stove. I add my food coloring afterward so that I can split the Play-Doh batch into multiple colors. And then I just add the food dye and I work it into the Play-Doh until it's the color I want it to be. For the Easter bin, I'm using yellow, pink, green, and white for my Play-Doh sensory tub. To make your rice, all I do is add a little bit of food dye into some rice in a plastic bag and mix it all together. For the Easter bin, I wanted it to be really colorful with all those Easter colors, so I used yellow, blue, green, and pink rice to make my sensory bin base. Once you have your bases done, all you have to do is throw the items into the bin for them to play with. For my bin, I found most of my items at the local Dollar Tree, but I will also find items very similar to these and link them in the description below that you can order off Amazon so you can have them directly shipped to you. So for this bin, I found some Easter colored vase fillers, small wooden chicks, and I found little carrots. I threw in some little cotton balls or little white balls for bunny tails, plastic Easter eggs, and then you're going to want to add some things that the kids can play with in the bin as well, like cups, scoops, or even some popsicle sticks that they can cut the Play-Doh with or move the rice around with. And then once you have your bases and your items, they're real easy to throw together. All you do is put your base down and put each of your items into the bin. Here are the 3 bins that I came up with for an Easter theme. And if you want to make some small Easter gifts, these can also be modified to make small sensory bins that you can give to the kids in your class, or your kids can give away as gifts to their friends. All you're going to do is get some small plastic tubs and kind of scale down the sensory bin. Put a few things of Play-Doh along with a few of the items, or a little bit of rice along with the items as well. So those are my 3 ideas for a sensory bin for Easter time. Let me know in the comments what you like to use in your sensory bin, or maybe give me some suggestions on some items I haven't thought of yet that you would use in your sensory bin that your kids love. If you want to see more videos on sensory bin ideas or art or activity, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so that you will not miss out on any of the new videos that come out. And if you're getting ready to start planning your summer theme in your classroom, don't forget to check out these videos that will give you a lot of summer art and activity ideas that you can use. Thanks for watching.